So, a lot of you have a favorite YouTuber, and a lot of you like to do what YouTubers do. Me, for one, I like to wear a mask like my favorite YouTube superstar, Bane from The Dark Knight Rises.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
And if I'm correct in thinking, I should be your favorite YouTuber, okay? So, I'm going to film my recipe for making my favorite type of coffee so you, at home, can copy it. So it all starts with grabbing my favorite mug. You know I'd be repping that Tim Hortons merch, baby. First, we got to start off with actually getting the coffee in the mug, which I changed because I realized I don't want to do this to my pristine mug. Baby, watch it pour. I don't use this shot in every one of my videos, including coffee. Yeah, fucking pour that shit. So, I'm going to sort our various ingredients into 3 sections. Seasoning. We've got, is there any more seasoning? We've got sugar, pepper, and pink salt because I thought it'd be better. For our second section, I'm gonna call it diabetes. We've got a fucking 2-liter Pepsi, Canadian maple syrup, Nesquik chocolate milk sauce, and Coca-Cola Zero. Third section, I'm gonna call it random shit. So we have just one singular rice cracker. We've got lime juice, Tabasco hot sauce, fucking yogurt drink, fucking orange Tic Tacs. Put on my cooking glasses, and let's get to work. So, just normal black coffee. Let's start off with our seasoning. Just gonna put the pepper in there. Nice, yep. Gonna get our pink salt and put that shit in there. That'll be enough. And finally, for our seasoning, fuck you, open it. We've got fucking white sugar. There we go. Next we're gonna mix it. Just gonna mix it all in. Next up, we're gonna put in our diabetes. Pepsi Cola. Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Fucking Canadian maple syrup. That I can't open now because I got Coke all over my hands. Jesus Christ.
Do you want me
to?
Do you want me to?
Look at it. It's fizzing.
Oh my god, that looks disgusting. You want me to try open it?
I got it.
Okay, good.
Don't worry, I got it.
Okay.
I've gotten it. Okay.
That looks disgusting.
Okay. For maple syrup and chocolate milk sauce. I don't think we have any left.
Probably not.
We don't have any left. Easy fix. We got chocolate sundae sauce. Oh yeah.
That is disgusting. Wait, hold on. And you said I had to drink this?
I did.
Oh, no.
We're gonna stir. Next is our random shit. So, got our one singular rice cracker. It's gonna, smush it up into little bits. Sprinkle that in there. We've got yogurt.
Oh, it is going out. Oh, you spilled some. Oh, God, that looks like apple pie.
I don't know how to get this lid off.
Do you want me to try? Whatever. Did we just not use the lime juice?
Couple orange Tic Tacs. Can you stop moaning into the camera, please? Fuck me. Fucking hot sauce. Come on. Come on. Oh, fuck.
That smells horrible.
Oh, no. Oh, fuck. How the fuck do you get this off? Here we go. Fucking. Oh, there we go. Mix it all together.
Oh, no.
Get a good look of that.
That is the thing we're gonna drink.
Dinner cheese sauce. Oh my fucking god. Oh! 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 Alright, enough cock rating. Time for the taste test. I'm not ready for this. I'm not fucking ready for this. Okay. Oh, fuck. I don't want to do it.
I'll do it.
I don't. Oh my fucking. I have to.
Do you want me to take it?
Cheers, mateys.
Yeah. Okay.
Your fucking turn. I'm gonna try to swallow it.
No.
Fuck, I'm going to throw up.
Please don't.
Oh.
I don't want to clean up puke.
Okay. For content.
For content. Oh shit.
Fuck you.
He's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to jerk him with my hands. Now I hit that orgy sex with condoms in my hand. I did half a Xan, now I'm pounding on my mans. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy.